Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am here with another tutorial in family creation. And in the last class we discussed about extrusion in Revit. So today I am going to cover about how to create family with the help of Blend and Revolve command. So I am going to my family tab here and I am going to click this new, and I will go to my imperial profile here. If you are working in a metric, you will select a metric profile. So I am going to my family templates and I am going to select this English imperial, and I will look for generic profile here, and I have selected generic model.rft. So I am going to select this and click open, and now we are all set to create our family. And I'm going to start with this blend command here. So blend command, it's create solid 3D shape that changes along its length. So suppose if you I'm going to select this extrusion here, and I'm going to create extrusion of any square form here, and I'm giving this depth 4 feet here, and I'm going to apply, and I'm going to finish this. And if you go to your 3D view here, you can see this is simple column shape or rectangular shape here. And if you go to this shape here, so if you want to create different shapes on top view or bottom view, so you can do with the help of blend command. So suppose if I want pentagon in bottom part here, and I want a circle on the upper part, so I can do with the blend. So I'm going to my again floor plan reference plan here, and I'm going to delete this. Now I am again going to create, and now I will select this one, blend. So I am going to select this blend here, and you can see edit top here. So after finishing bottom part, you are required to finish this edit top, and after that you can click this right button here after finishing. So first we are required to create bottom shape here. So I want my bottom shape to be pentagon sorry, hexagon here, and if you want pentagon, you are required to enter 5 here. So I will enter 5. Now I will create my pentagon here of any size, and I'm going to finish this. And now you will go to this blend properties here. It is asking first end 0 feet 0 inches and second end is 1 feet by default. So I want to increase this, and I'm going to make it 4 feet. And after this material, I will tell you, I'm going to apply here, and now it is asking edit top here. So I'm going to my top here, and now I want circular on top position. So I'm going to select this circle here, and I'm going to create a circle little lesser than this, and you can change material if you want. And this also I want to start from 4 feet and go till 6 feet high, and I'm going to finish this. And if you are in your top mode, you can see it is asking to edit base. So you can do later also, if you want to edit this base, you can change. If you want hexagon, you can go to here, edit base. So I'm going to finish this, and now we'll go to 3D view here, and you can see this is our shape which is created with the help of pentagon and circle on top and pentagon on the bottom. And if you select this, you can also use this arrow to increase this height. So you can create some creative shapes by using this blend command here. And if you want to change material, you will select this, and you will go to this material and finishes, go to this category here, material category, and you will go here, create and duplicate material. I'm going to create new material here, and I can select any material here. So suppose I want metal paint here, metal paint. You can enter metal paint and you can select any paint color here. Suppose I am going to use this blue metal paint color. I am going to apply OK, and you can see material is applied to this shape. So likewise you can create your own shapes. You can use this arrow also to reduce the size or increase the size. You can see size is increasing, and you can also put properties here like first end, second end. So I am going to use first end as 2 feet, and second end I am going to use 6 feet, and I am going to apply here. So you can see you can do this setting from here also. So this is the use, and you can create interesting shapes. And if you want to edit this again, you can go to edit base, and you can take any other shape also. So I am going to delete this, and now I am going to select rectangle here, and you can do it approximately. You can change later on. So suppose this is the rectangle I want at the bottom, and I will finish this. And if you will go to your 3D view here, you can see this is rectangular shape, and likewise you can edit this top also. So now we will move to our next command here. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to revolve command here. So revolve command is create a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile around an axis. So if you want to create any 2D shapes into 3D, you will create half the portion here, and it will revolve around axis. So I will tell you how. So I am going to not this floor plan, we will go to this front elevation, and now I am going to select this revolve. So I suppose I want to create any fountain like or any sculpture for my landscape project. So how you will do this? So I am going to create any shape here by using this revolve. This is just to make you understand. So I'm going to select this revolve here, and now if you select revolve, it will ask boundary line. So you have to make half the 2D shape here, and axis line you have to define after creating your shape here. So I am going to use these drop lines here. So you can use a straight line, you can use rectangular, pentagonal, any kind of lines. So I will prefer this one. So I am going to create my shape. So I am going to create any shapes in my elevation mode, and I have taken 1 feet 6 inches. I am going to 8 inches further. I am going to 6 inches here, and I will make any arc here, and I will again select arc, give this some depth here. Again I will go to this straight line, and it is just I am creating any landscape shape here, and I am going to finish this here on this line. And now the half portion of this shape is created, and we are required to revolve around any axis. So you have to define this axis line here. So if you will not define axis line, this shape will not revolve. So you are required to revolve this axis line. This is sketches a line to use an axis for revolving geometry. So I am going to define this axis here. So I am going to select this, and you can pick also, and you can draw also. So I am going to use this draw, and I want here. So I am drawing axis, And after drawing axis, you can see here, this is axis we have drawn just now. I'm going to finish edit mode here, and I'm going to click this red button, red tick mark here, and you can see this is very interesting shape which we have created using this revolve command. And you are required to create a half a portion and it will revolve. And now we'll check in our 3D view. We can see this is the interesting shape. You can use it for your landscape project and any architectural project. Likewise, you can create balusters, any other shapes also, and you are required to keep practicing this revolve command. And after that, you can change this material, and you can also use this angle. Suppose end angle is 360, I am going to make it 180. What will happen? 180 degree. I'm going to apply here. You can see if you are making 180 degree, this also you can make. If you are making any wall exterior and you want some cladding work to be done, you can use this angle. You can make to any angle. Suppose I am making 90 degree, what will happen? It will convert it to 90 degrees. So likewise, you can use this angle. And now you can change material also by going to this by category material. You are required to create a new material here, and after that you will go to this asset browser, and I am going to apply marble material on this. I will select any white marble and I will apply, and you can see material is changed. So likewise, you can create this kind of family and you can directly load it into your project, or you can save your family and you can create a library of this by going to here, save as family, and you can start making your own library, and you can load directly into your project from here. You can also cancel this. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session, we will discuss some more commands in family creation. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.